Welcome students. Today I take a new topic of one of the fundamental quantities in electric current. Already you learned about before 4 length, mass, time and temperature. Now let us see about electric current. Then electric current, what's the unit of electric current? Ampere. It's the symbol of A. In the electric current, the rate of flow of electric charge in a particular direction. This is known as electric current. In the electric current is denoted as I is equal to Q by T. Q is the electric charge. Q is the electric charge and T is the time. Then electric charge is the unit of coulomb. Then time is the unit of second. In the electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through in a conductor in 1 second. That is known as electric current I. So the electric current is the unit of ampere. 1 ampere is equal to charging of moving in a conductor in 1 second. Then charging of moving in a conductor in 1 second. That is known as electric current. In the electric current is to measure the instrument of ammeter. This is the ammeter. In this instrument is to measuring the current in a circuit. This instrument used to measure the smaller current. These values are millimeter value and some of the ammeter is using to micrometer value. This is the one diagram of the electric circuit value. 1 ammeter is connecting to the lamp and with connecting to the battery. In this circuit is connecting to the series circuit. Next we will move to amount of substance. Can you count the number of coins? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count the number of atoms in a coin? No, it is very difficult to count the number of atoms because atoms are not visible. There is an indirect method to count the number of atoms or molecules in a substance. That is known as amount of substance. So, amount of substance is to measure the number of particles. What is meant by particle? Particle is the number of atoms, molecules and anions. So, the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. What is meant by amount of substance? The amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms. Already you know about the SI unit. In the SI unit of amount of substance is mole. It is a symbol of MOL, mole. Then 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains the 6.023 into 10 power 23. What's the value of 1 mole? 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is for the Avogadro number. This is for the Avogadro number. Next we will move to luminous intensity. In the luminous intensity is to measure the power of emitted light in a particular direction per unit angle. Then power of emitted light in a particular direction per unit angle. What is the unit of luminous intensity? Candela. It's a symbol of small letter of CD. In the luminous intensity is to measure the instrument of photometer. All of you clear about this? Luminous intensity is the power of emitted light in a particular direction per unit angle. What the instrument is used to measure? Photometer. Okay students, thank you for listening.